What's going on, everyone? Sean McCreary here. Gonna do a couple of pulls on the highway. Gonna roll this one from 30 kilometers. And there's 100. 100 as we hit third gear. Fast. Mode 1 focus. Basically, so far what I've done: ECU tune, intake exhaust. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But today, just got back from Princess Auto, Canadian Tire. Picked up some stuff, because today's Black Friday. Well, the day that I'm filming this, don't know when I'm going to be uploading this. Do road pulls. Let's roll this one from 30 as well. Yeah, lots of ice on the dirt today. Shit. It's not fast, but it's quick. There's a big difference between fast and quick. I mean, this thing, up off the line every time. I can win just about every time. It's Civics, Cobalts, Golfs, all those. Yeah, easily. Rather important for my car. One of these fire extinguisher. Probably shouldn't do that while driving. Okay, I'm going to show you how to install it. It'll keep your car a lot safer, whether it's just your daily or your track car. Drift that corner every time. Every single time. I'm telling you, the Mark 1 Focuses, they're awesome. Not enough people are doing them up today. Yeah. Here's my stop. And home. Gonna hide the car behind the shed. Okay, so you do the. Okay, so I'm already most of the way done. But what you need: this kit for a fire extinguisher, some screws, screwdriver, drill. And I'll show you how it's done. Just find the hole. See right there. And just like that, just twist the screw in place. And you're done. And that's how you install a fire extinguisher in your car. Pretty simple, pretty easy job. Simple hand tools would do. And it's all easy.